Hello, I'm Duncan, a teacher at English Access, and I want to give you a tip. English, we often learn in a book, in a classroom, writing down a tense, practicing a modal, but English is more than that. It's communicating. That's why you're learning it. So you need to sometimes get out the classroom. I like to tell students, use what you know. So if you know present simple, write a few present simple sentences down. Keep them in your pockets, keep them in your head, on your phone. Go out in the real world, try and use them. If you are learning questions, write down a few questions. Go to a restaurant, ask the waiter some questions, or go to the shops, ask for help. Use what you know. It doesn't matter if you get 100% in the book and then you walk out the classroom and you don't speak it. Speak as much as you can, even if it's wrong, because people will try and understand you. That is my number one tip for learning English. Thank you.